Daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Remember guys to like, share, comment and follow, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our new uploads that we do upload here. Today is the 17th of August 2023. So guys, here's the latest update. Tinashe, a CCC member who passed away in Glenview a few weeks ago. The Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, Commissioner General Godwin Katanga has said CCC activist Tinashe Chitsunge, who was allegedly killed in a politically motivated incident in Glenview 7 recently, was run over by the party's truck. This is contrary to eyewitnesses' accounts that indicated that Chitsunge was stoned to death by suspected ZANU-PF activists. Addressing delegates on an election observer mission in Harare on Wednesday, Katanga said they are still waiting for the post-mortem report. He said, on August 3, 2023, we received a report of public violence in Glenview 7 in which a life was unfortunately lost. The deceased, Tinashe Chitsunge, was run over by a truck in the course of politically motivated violence. Currently, we are waiting for a post-mortem report to ascertain the cause of his death. Police says they have arrested 15 people so far in connection with Chitsunge's death. The suspects were charged with the lesser charge of public violence and were freed on bail. So guys, that's the latest here. All those 15 people who were arrested, they are roaming free as we speak right now. Hapana muna armijeri panya ya Tinashe Chitsunge. So according to the police, they are saying that he was run over by a truck. Yenga inema supporters at CCC, and remember kuti vanhu vakanda matombo from all directions, and truck rafamba mbichana yenga isingamhanye, and saka I don't understand kuti zvokufamba sei, because according to ear witnesses they are saying that Tinashe akaurayiwa nematombo nevanhu akadonha pasi, vanhu vakatoenda paari vakamutema nematombo kudzamara munhu atoshaya atofira ipapo on the spot. And saka there are so many versions of the story akutenderera pa social media. At the same time, the police are saying that they are still waiting for the post-mortem, and so we'll be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest. It's a very sad situation because no one will be held accountable. A breadwinner, a mother lost a son. So guys, we'll be keeping you up to date here with the latest on daily news, breaking news, everyday news. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. This is a daily news, breaking news, everyday news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Bless up.